Salam እንዴት ናችሁ? Welcome to my channel. Today's lesson is Amharic Possessives Part 2. This is what we learned in Part 1 of this series. If you'd like to watch that lesson first, click on the upper right corner. So today we're going to see the second way with which we express possession that does not include possessive pronouns. This is to add a suffix to the noun depending on the pronoun that we're using. We'll look at both the singular and plural forms. Here are 5 pronouns and their respective suffixes. Let's start with you feminine, anchi. The suffix is sh, sh. Cup means sini. Your cup, sinish, sinish, sinish. Car, mekina. Your car, mekinash, mekinash, mekinash. Example, misali. Your example, misalish, misalish, misalish. Name, sim, sim, sim. Your name, simish, simish, simish. Glass, birchiko, birchiko. Your glass, birchikosh, birchikosh, birchikosh. The suffix used for you masculine, ante, is h, h. It's the same example, so I'm not going to read the first column again. Your cup, sinih, sinih, sinih. Your car, makinah, makinah. Your example, misalih, misalih. Your name, simih, simih. Your glass, birchikoh, birchikoh, birchikoh. We use the suffix wo for irswo, the respectful or formal way of saying you. Your cup, siniwo, siniwo. Your car, mekinawo, mekinawo. Your example, misalewo, misalewo. Your name, Simo, Simo, Simo. Your glass, birchiko, birchiko. For she, iswa, we use the suffix wa, wa. Her cup, siniwa, siniwa. Her car, mekinawa, mekinawa. Her example, misalewa, misalewa. Her name, simwa, simwa, which we can also write like this, si-moi, by changing the last 2 letters, me and wa, to the letter moi. Instead of 2 letters, me and wa, in yellow, we only use the letter moi. Since the alphabet has letters which end with the wa sound, wa, we're able to change the last 2 letters to that. But this only works if the original word ends with the I vowel sound, like this. Sim. Sim. It's sim, but we say sim. We do not stress on the I vowel sound. Sim. That's why it only works if the word ends with the I vowel sound, because we don't stress it. That's the only time when combined with wa, with the letter wa, it sounds like letters that have the wa sound or wa sound at the end. In this case, the letter moi. They sound similar. Mewa changes to moi. Like I said, we don't stress the I sound, so it's pronounced moi. Let me give you another example. Tiwa, which we pronounce toi, since the I sound is not stressed, sounds like the letter toi. For instance, house is bet. Bet. It ends with the I vowel sound, but we say bet. Her house, betwa. Betwa. Because bet ends with the I vowel sound, bet, instead of writing betwa, we can change the letters t and wa to the letter toi. Betwa. Her glass, birጭቆዋ. 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 The suffix for the pronoun he, እሱ, is w, or u, the u vowel sound. His cup, ስኒው. 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 His car, መኪናው. መኪናው. His example, ምሳሌው. ምሳሌው. His name, ስሙ. ስሙ. We use the u vowel sound in this case instead of the w suffix. So the letter m, which ends with the I vowel sound, changes to the letter mu. ስሙ. His name. His glass, ብርጭቆ. ብርጭቆ. Let's see the plural form now. If you haven't learned the plural form in Amharic yet, you can click on the upper right corner for the full lesson. Cups, ስኒዎች. ስኒዎች. Your cups, to a female, ስኒዎችሽ. ስኒዎችሽ. Cars, መኪናዎች. Your cars, መኪናዎችሽ. መኪናዎችሽ. Examples, ምሳሌዎች. Your examples, ምሳሌዎችሽ. ምሳሌዎችሽ. Houses, ቤቶች. Your houses, ቤቶችሽ. ቤቶችሽ. Glasses, ብርጭቆዎች. Your glasses, ብርጭቆዎችሽ. ብርጭቆዎችሽ. Your cups, to a male, ስኒዎችህ. ስኒዎችህ. Your cars, መኪናዎችህ. መኪናዎችህ. Your examples, ምሳሌዎችህ. ምሳሌዎችህ. Your houses, ቤቶችህ. ቤቶችህ. Your glasses, ብርጭቆዎችህ. ብርጭቆዎችህ your respectfully or formally your cups ስኒዎችዎ 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 your cars መኪናዎችዎ መኪናዎችዎ your examples ምሳሌዎችዎ ምሳሌዎችዎ your houses ቤቶችዎ 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 your glasses ብርጭቆዎችዎ 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 ስኒዎቿ ስኒዎችዋ ስኒዎችዋ or we can write this differently like this just by changing the last letter to chwa. We'll be doing that with all the nouns here when we're talking about her. Her cars መኪናዎቿ መኪናዎቿ her examples ምሳሌዎቿ ምሳሌዎቿ her houses ቤቶቿ 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 her glasses ብርጭቆዎቿ ብርጭቆዎቿ his cups do we say ስኒዎችው do we add the suffix ው at the end no we don't because all plural forms end with the sound ዎች ዎች we're simply gonna add the u sound at the end for his which means we're gonna change the last letter from ch to chu ስኒዎቹ his cups ስኒዎቹ ስኒዎቹ his cars መኪናዎቹ መኪናዎቹ his examples ምሳሌዎቹ ምሳሌዎቹ his houses ቤቶቹ ቤቶቹ his glasses ብርጭቆዎቹ ብርጭቆዎቹ